Hey everyone, welcome to Stock Market 101. Today I'm going to walk you through the basics of stock market trading and give you some easy steps to get started. Let's dive right in. First up, what exactly is the stock market? Think of it as a giant marketplace where people buy and sell shares of companies. When you buy a share, you're actually buying a small piece of that company. So, how do you start trading? Step 1, get educated. It's crucial to understand the basics before diving in. I recommend reading books, watching videos, and perhaps taking an online course. The more you know, the smarter your decisions will be. Step 2, open a brokerage account. A brokerage account is like a bank account, but for trading stocks. There are many online brokers to choose from, like Zerodha, Upstocks, or Grow. Do some research to find one that suits your needs best. Step 3, fund your account. This means transferring money from your bank to your brokerage account. Only invest what you can afford to lose, especially when you're just starting out. Step 4, research and pick stocks. Look for companies you believe in and understand. Check their financial health, read up on their business model, and stay updated with news related to them. Websites like Money Control and Economic Times can be really helpful. Next, let's talk about basic strategies. One popular strategy is long-term investing. This means buying shares of solid companies and holding on to them for years. The idea is to benefit from the company's growth over time. Another strategy is swing trading. This involves buying shares and holding them for days or weeks, aiming to profit from short-term price movements. It's a bit riskier and requires more attention, but can yield quicker returns. Now, a quick tip: diversify. Don't put all your money into one stock. Spread your investments across different companies and sectors to reduce risk. Finally, stay disciplined. It's easy to get emotional with trading, especially when prices fluctuate. Stick to your strategy, avoid impulsive decisions, and regularly review your portfolio. Before I wrap up, remember this: the stock market is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience, discipline, and continuous learning. But with the right approach, you can grow your wealth over time. All right, that's it for today's video on Stock Market 101. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on investing and personal finance. Thanks for watching and happy trading.